Are you ready to transform your bedroom into the ultimate refuge? Create a space that's made just for you. So much more than just where you sleep, today's bedrooms also serve as a home office, media room, and a prime location for snuggling kids or pets. Bedrooms are also an excellent space for showing off your personal style. Before leaping in with an Instagram screenshot and a paintbrush, make sure you think through your decorating ideas carefully. Create a mood board, digitally or physically, before making any big purchases and sit with your ideas for a while to know that you are sure about your decisions. Fast-track your way to a modern bedroom with an Instagram-worthy fashionable display. Consider hanging hats on hooks on your wall or keeping a curated rail of clothes out to give your room a high-end feel. If you are looking for some inspirational ideas of modern bedrooms, we've got you covered. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of modern bedroom decor and bedroom furniture ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One thing you can do to refresh the look of your bedroom is to add texture to your bed. Team textured bed linen with pillows and throws to create a cozy bed setup. Lots of layers will luxe up the look of your room, even if you opt for bargain pieces. You can also add color with accessories. Color trends come and go, and by adding accent colors with accessories, you'll be able to switch up the decor easily. Painted plant pots, vibrant vases and pretty candles will instantly add character to your space. Transform the space with lighting. Never underestimate the power of good lighting. Selecting modern styles with urban industrial vibes will bring your room bang up to date. Think like a hotel. Stepping foot into a luxury hotel bedroom is a special experience, and you can recreate that with special touches. Add luxury fabrics, gorgeous scents, and keep everything symmetrical for a polished finish. Invest in a dual-purpose desk. Nothing says modern bedroom like a dual-purpose desk. There are some beautiful styles which don't scream office space but are still super practical for work and beauty. Go for classic white. When it comes to bedding, you can't go wrong with plain white sheets. They will always look modern and expensive, and you can even interchange colored cushions when the mood takes you. Don't shy away from art. From a trio of frames to an eye-catching gallery wall, embrace art for a contemporary bedroom finish. Style your bedside tables. Jazzing up your bedside tables is recommended for a modern look. Curate your perfect bedside table with small treasures such as scented candles, trinket dishes, and personal pieces. You can also add life with plants. Bringing the outdoors in will not only bring a breath of fresh air into your safe haven, but gorgeous greenery makes the perfect video call backdrop. Mix shapes and lines. Contrasting straight-edged furniture with curved mirrors and ornaments will add a different dynamic to your boudoir. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked collection of modern bedroom decor and bedroom furniture ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.